Let's print a couple shirts using our Christmas colors. These Plastisol inks cure at 270 degrees and are super easy to work with. The box comes with 6 colors, all bold and great for holiday time prints. For the first shirt, I'm using green, pastel green, red, and pastel pink. And if you're looking for a more classic Christmas color combination, this army green and dark red combo is a great choice. Whatever you're printing this season, our Christmas colors pack is a great addition to your materials list. Let us know in the comments what you're printing this season, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more screen printing videos.